In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up split tunneling in NordVPN on desktop. Split tunneling lets you decide which apps or websites use the VPN connection and which ones connect directly to the internet. This is great if you want to secure sensitive traffic while keeping certain services, like local streaming or gaming, outside the VPN for better speed or local access. Just remember, anything you leave outside the tunnel won't be protected by the VPN, so choose carefully. Start by opening the NordVPN app on your desktop. If you aren't already signed in, log in with your account. Make sure your app is up to date so all the latest features are available. Older versions may not show the split tunneling option. Once you're in, head to the Settings menu by clicking the small gear icon, usually found near the top or side of the app window. In the Settings area, stay on or switch to the General tab. Here you'll find the split tunneling feature. Turn it on to enable the controls. You may see options to include certain apps or websites in the VPN or to exclude them. The wording might vary slightly depending on your app version, but the idea is the same. You choose what goes through the VPN tunnel and what doesn't. Now, decide how you want to route your traffic. If you want only specific apps or websites to use the VPN while everything else stays outside, add those items to the Use VPN list. If you prefer the opposite, most traffic protected with a few exceptions for speed or local access, add those apps or websites to the Bypass VPN list. Think about your needs. For example, you might keep your banking app and work tools inside the VPN for encryption, while letting a local streaming site or a game bypass the VPN to avoid region restrictions or reduce latency. Select the exact apps or websites you want to apply split tunneling to. Take a moment here to double-check what you're adding so you don't accidentally expose something you intended to secure. When you're satisfied with your choices, click Save to apply the settings. After saving, your preferences will take effect the next time those apps or websites connect. If something doesn't behave as expected, revisit settings and adjust your lists. And if you ever change networks or update the app, it's a good idea to review your split tunneling setup to make sure it still matches your goals. That's it. Your split tunneling in NordVPN is now configured for a balance of security and performance tailored to your needs.